Find 73% of 776. We need the part of 776. 73% is the percent. 776 is the whole. The question mark is the part we are finding. The whole bar is 100%, or 776. The green bar grows to 73%. So the green part is the answer we need. Percent means out of 100. 73 divided by 100 is 0.73. In A, percent problem of tells us to multiply. Multiply 73 by 776. 56,648 divided by 100 is 566.48. So 73% of 776 is 566.48.